So we're looking at a 2019 Acura RDX. The vehicle on the exterior does present very clean. All the paint looks uniform. The one thing I did see, and this is not very easy to spot, there is evidence of paint work on the front bumper cover. And the gap here is a little bit uneven. That might be an aftermarket bumper cover on there. You can see a little bit of overspray here on the left headlamp. So it looks like that front bumper cover has been replaced. Might have had a minor fender bender. I don't see any uneven gaps or anything where there's indication of structural damage. You can see everything does line up uniformly except for the front bumper cover. The doors over here look okay. Everything looks pretty clean. This left rear door did show 12 mil when I measured it with a paint gauge, which is higher than all the other panels. The other panels on most cars in general are anywhere from like 4 to 7, so it looks like that door may have been refinished. And it looks like there might, it's kind of hard to tell with the white if there's a shading mismatch. It looks pretty uniform, but there might be a slight difference between the left front and the left rear door. Nothing that you're really going to pick up unless you're looking close. Other than that, everything else looks clean. The chrome, the windows, I don't see any chips or scratches back here on the rear bumper cover. Little tiny nick there. Nothing really severe. Liftgate looks okay. This side all looks uniform and clean. Don't see any physical damage, no rust, corrosion. All the paint looks good.